Okay guys, so I figured out a different way to braid your hair, and it makes your curls a lot more wavier. See, as you can see right here. And my bangs are falling down. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your bangs and pin them up. Now I've already done this side, but I will show you all how to do the other side. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take all your hair to this side. As you can see, it's pretty wavy as it is right now. But you're going to take your bangs out and pin them up. And then you're going to get a big chunk of your hair. Now this does not have to be perfect because you're going around your house, you're going to bed. So you're going to kind of French braid it, except you're going to take this one, the side closest to your face, and just add to it, and then braid. Add, and braid. Add, and braid. Add, and then braid. Add, and then braid. Add, and then braid. Add, and then braid. Now when you get to the other strand, you're just going to braid it regularly all the way down. You may need to braid it pretty tight, because or else it's not going to hold it on. I know I look stupid, so don't comment that. So you're going to braid it pretty far down, about to right there, and then you're going to secure it with an elastic. And this will make very beautiful curls without any heat. So there it is, and then you're going to take your hairspray. And then you're just going to spray. So as you can see, it's like that. Look like Princess Leia. And so in a couple hours in the morning, I'm going to leave it till morning so I have enough time to dry, and then it'll have enough time to, you know, settle. And also the curls will last long. But in the morning I will show you guys how it turns out, because I'm going to school in the morning. And so yeah, and so I hope you guys like this video on how to do your hair beach wave curly with no heat. I hope you guys like it, and subscribe, comment, please don't mean comments. Seriously guys, it makes my day when you all subscribe and comment. So yeah, and just be nice, and this is a really easy tutorial to do, so you guys can try it, and I'm sorry if it doesn't turn out the way you want it, I really am, but yeah, and so I just hope you guys like it, and bye. Sorry, I had to fix something, and so bye.